Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let us try to solve question number 4 of our class 6 maths exercise 1.2. So first of all, let us read the question. The question says, Kriti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. Okay, so our friend Kriti has a bookstore. Okay, and since it is a bookstore, it sells books. So in the first week of June, Kriti sold books worth rupees how much? 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. Of the month means of the same month, June. Okay, students. So in the first week of June, Kriti sold books worth rupees 2,85,891, and in the second week of June, Kriti sold books worth rupees 4,768. So the question asks us to find how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. So if you combine the sale for 2 weeks together, that is the first week of June, and the sale in the second week of June, how much money does Kriti get? Okay, if you combine the 2 weeks together, that means we have to find the total amount of money earned by Kriti by selling books for the 2 weeks, right? That is the first week of June and the second week of June. All we have to do is we have to add these two amounts, right? This is the sale of books in the first week of June, the sale of books in the second week of June, right? And the question further says, in which week was the sale greater? Okay, in which week was the sale greater? Is it the first week of June or is it the second week of June? We have to find that, and after that we also have to find by how much. Okay, if the sale of the first week was greater than the sale of second week, we have to find by how much. Or if the sale of the second week is greater than the sale of the first week, we need to find by how much. Okay, so we need to solve we need to find answer for two types of question. The first type of question is we have to find how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together, right? We have to find total amount of money Kriti earns, okay, in these 2 weeks. Then after that, we also have to find which sale was greater. Was it the sale of the first week or was it the sale of the second week? Understood? So let's solve this question. Okay, students. So let us write the steps. The first step that we will write is the prices of books sold in the first week of June. Okay, so price of books sold in the first week of June. Okay, and write the amount. How much? Rupees 2,85,891, right? Then like this, similarly we have to write for the second week also. Price of books sold in the second week of June. Second week of June, right? And you write the amount, rupees 4,768, right? So the question asks us to find, first of all, we have to find the total sale for these 2 weeks together, right? So therefore, the total sale for the 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks together. So since we are going to find total, we have to find the sum of these two amounts. right? So rupees 2,85,891 plus 4,768. So let's find the total in the working column. So 2,85,891, right? 4,768 plus. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, we will get 16. Another 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 8. Right? And 6. So this is the total sale for the 2 weeks together. 6,86,659. So let's write the amount here. Goes to rupees 6,86,659. Then after this, we have to find which sale or book was greater, right? So let's see the price. In the first week of June, the price of books sold was how much? 2,85,891, means 2 lakh something. Then when it comes to second week, the sold was 4 lakh something. So this is 2 lakh something and this is 4 lakh something. So the sale of books in the second week was greater, right? Why? Because it is 4 lakh something. It's greater than the sale of books in the first week. Then after that, we have to find by how much. Since we are going to find by how much, we have to find the difference of these two values, right? So let's write the steps. So let us try the next step. So since rupees 4,768,000 is greater than rupees 2,85,891, right? So therefore, the sale of the second week was greater, right? Was greater than the sale of the first week, right? First week. And the question asks us to find by how much, right? So by. And you have to find the difference of these two values. So this value is greater. So let's write the greater number first. 4,768,000 minus 2,85,891. So let's find the difference in the working column. So we have 4,768,000, 2,85,891 minus. So 8 minus 1 is 7, right? We cannot subtract 9 from 6, so it becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7, right? And this 8 becomes 9. And we cannot subtract 9 from 7, so this 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. This 5 becomes 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 0, right? So this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. This 8 also becomes 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. So this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. This 2 becomes 3. 4 minus 3 is also 1. So the sale of the second week was greater than the sale of the first week by how much? Rupees 1,14,877. Okay, students. So this is how we are going to solve question number 4. So in the next video, let us try to solve question number 5.